You're not broken. You're not weak. And the confidence you used to feel in your body, the one that's been fading lately, it didn't disappear. It got buried. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to get it back. This isn't motivation. This is the neurobiology of real confidence and the hidden reason why PIED has been feeding off your silence. So let's talk about the truth. All right, the truth about confidence. Confidence isn't a trait. It's not something you're born with. It's not a personality type. And it sure as hell isn't something that you wait around to feel. Confidence is a skill, a system you build inside your nervous system through repetition, exposure, and identity alignment. It's cause and effect. And here's the part no one's told you. If you've been struggling with PIED, if your performance anxiety is getting worse, not better, it's not because you lost your confidence. It's because you never learned how to build it the right way. And the worst part, you've been waiting to feel ready, when the only way to get ready is to move. So, why is waiting the kill switch for confidence? Every time you wait until you feel confident to take action, you reinforce the idea that you're not ready. Your brain builds that loop. It becomes your new normal. But confidence doesn't come from hype. It doesn't necessarily come from affirmations. It comes from reps, proof. You don't become a confident man by thinking your way there. You become confident when your actions align with the man you want to be, even when you're scared, even when you don't feel like it, especially when your body says, don't. Because here's the truth. The man you admire, the one who seems fearless in the bedroom, in business, in life, he didn't wait. He acted before he felt ready. And that action rewired his system to expect success, not failure. That's what you need. Not more theory, not more research, not another Reddit thread. You need movement. Now, let's bring this straight to what you're going through. If you're struggling with PIED, you've likely been caught in a loop. You feel pressure to perform. You anticipate failure. Your nervous system flips into survival. Your body shuts down, and then the shame sets in. Here's what no one's saying. It's not your body that's failing. It's your confidence system that's untrained. Your nervous system has been conditioned to associate sex with stress, performance with panic, and pleasure has been rewired with pressure. But here's the good news. That system can be retrained. Confidence can be reclaimed. But it starts by doing what most men never do, shifting from emotion to execution, from waiting to acting, from surviving to leading. And you don't need to feel ready to do that. You need to decide. Let's take you right now as an example. I know you've done things in your life. You've faced risks. You've done hard things. And you didn't wait to feel motivated before showing up every day. So why are you doing that with your confidence? Why are you expecting your body to lead when your mind is hiding? You're not missing confidence. You've just been pointing it in the wrong direction. What you've been calling PIED is just a feedback loop. It's the result of conditioning your nervous system unintentionally to expect failure. And every time you avoid intimacy, every time you escape into dopamine, you reinforce that loop. But here's what happens when you act in defiance of that loop. Your system starts to rewire. Your body starts to listen. And confidence, real grounded sexual confidence, becomes your new baseline. Not because you faked it, but because you earned it. So, how do you build this? You start with one decision. To stop waiting for confidence and start building it through deliberate, structured exposure. That's what we do inside Morningwood Method. We train your nervous system to win again through reps, through evidence, through identity work, and through the core framework you're going to learn within this series. But today, you've got only one task. Interrupt the loop. Don't wait for motivation. Take a cold shower and stay in it. Start the hard conversation with your partner. Show up and breathe through the discomfort. Move your body when you want to numb out. Each one of those actions is a rep. Each one is a deposit into your confidence bank. And over time, that stack becomes unshakable.